though. That'd be proper, right? Got Jeff and Ron back again in this 2011 Chevy Camaro where we just installed the Pioneer Nex 8200 with the Maestro Dash kit and the Maestro Rr. Check it out.
All right.
Looks good.
So what's neat about this one, Ron, I think, is the quick buttons. So it eliminates your factory knobs, which really in this car don't look too great anyway. So now it gives you quick access to your climate features through the OBD2 and your gauge readout through your OBD2. So any features that actually are available on this car will show up with the gauge function. Lock, unlock, fan up and down. So it's got presets that you can actually program and customize for 1, 2, 3, and 4, if you see those. So you can actually make those a quick function for anything that you got going on. The other cool thing I like is that it's preloaded with 2 USB ports, an HDMI port, and an auxiliary jack. So you don't have cables coming out of your center console, your glove box, or anything like that. It cleans up the install a lot. This dash kit is a pretty cool piece.